If you're not cooking in bulk, you are making your meal prep so much more effort than it needs to be. On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm showing you how to make food in bulk and simplify your diet. When you make food in bulk, you not only spend less time in the kitchen preparing your meals, you also save time and effort on cleaning your dishes. So I'm gonna prove this by showing you time-saving examples of how to quickly prep your protein and your vegetables in bulk so you always have extra prepared food for future meals. So in other words, I'm gonna prepare one meal and show you how to turn it into 4 meals. So one of the fastest ways to cook your proteins in bulk is the barbecue. So if time is an issue, buy pre-portioned grass-fed beef patties is an excellent time saver. So simply fire up the barbecue and allow it to heat up. Then throw the whole pack of beef patties on the grill. Now, depending on the thickness of the beef patties, simply set your timer for 3 to 5 minutes and grill. Once the timer is up, flip the burgers and set your timer for another 3 to 5 minutes. That's how simple it can be to cook your proteins in bulk.
Now I'm going to get the vegetables, cook them in bulk, and one of the best ways to do this is just with a food processor. So I'm going with Brussels sprouts, onion, and then some broccoli. Throw it all in the food processor, have it in bulk, have it nice and shredded up so you can cook it quickly. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, Brussels sprouts are nicely thinly shredded, some onion in there, some broccoli in there as well, so we can just saute it in some avocado oil whenever we want. So there's your vegetables kind of prepped in bulk. Burgers are off the grill. Vegetables just need to be sauteed. All right, let's go. All right, I use about a tablespoon of avocado oil. It's a good cooking oil to use over heat. You can add whatever spices you want to the vegetables. I like to go with salt, so this is some pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and then we've been using this a lot lately. It's like everything bagel seasoning. So it's got a blend of onion, garlic, sesame seeds, poppy seeds. Just really good thing to spice up your vegetables. Then adding the raw vegetables, just some Tupperware, and we'll just put that in the fridge. And it's already like pre-made, just have to heat it up. So we'll add a patty to each. And then about a cup or a cup and a half of that vegetable saute. And there you go. So I mean, it doesn't have to look super delicious. It's intended to fuel your body. So we have healthy fats, we got protein, got our fiber from carbs from our vegetables. That's it. You can also, I'm going to probably add a little bit of mustard on there as well for the burger. So for this meal in your macros and your calorie calculations, all you have to calculate is you've got the grass-fed patty, which you saw on the label, the nutritional info. The mustard is a free food, 0 calorie, we don't count that. We don't count the vegetables, it's a free food, but you do count the avocado oil, so that was a tablespoon. And then for me, I have a 1/4 cup of macadamias for fats. So that's pretty simple calculations. Okay, so our leftovers go in Tupperware. Got a couple patties for tomorrow. I don't know where it happened to our Tupperware top, but I lost it. So I just got some saran wrap on top, and this goes in the fridge.
So bottom line here, guys, next time you follow a recipe, quadruple the recipe and save yourself time by cooking in bulk. Then store the leftovers in containers, put it in the fridge, and then you'll have food prepped and ready whenever you need it. This is the simplified approach to your nutrition. And if you're looking for more ways to simplify your diet, guys, I highly recommend you check out our Live Lean 20 diet program. Now, this program was designed specifically to simplify your nutrition. So we created 20 high protein and low carbohydrate recipes that only use a combined total of 20 ingredients that take less than 20 minutes to prepare. This nutrition program includes the cookbook cookbook with all the recipes, step-by-step cooking videos showing you how to make the food, a meal plan for both men and women, and more. So if you want to simplify your diet, this is the nutrition program that you need to check out. We'll put a link down below and you can also click, I think it's right here. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching and keep living lean. Today's question of the day: when you cook your meals, how many people do you typically cook for? All right, now I suggest you go check out my video on how to prep and portion your food using a food scale. Go click right over here to go watch it.